Hello guys, and welcome to another one. This will be a very quick video. I'll just be showing you how you can access your rear lights on the E87. So it's very simple. There's a little clip. You just remove this like that, and inside, as you can see here, there is this electric wire. All you have to do is there's a clip on the back. I don't know if I can show you it. There's a clip right on the back here where you literally just press it. You just press it and pull. It's a bit tight with me, as you can see here right there. So this is the clip. Now you just tuck it in the bottom a little bit. Just push it down there just a little bit. And then to actually get access to the lights, there is two clips that you just press on, really. There's one right here, and the other one is right there. So then what you do is you just press it together, and then that's it. There's the lights. Okay. So to take it out, all you have to do is you press it in and then twist it, and then it goes out. Okay, and then the other one you just plug it in, twist back in, then you just place it in like so. If it's a bit tight, like you can see here, what you can do, it's not, but what you can do is you can hang on, let me just push it in. You see this, you can push that out to help you get more access. But anyways, you just put the lights back in. It's very straightforward, and then you just press it in. Let me just do that 1 second. And sorry, one moment. So all we're doing here is we're just aligning the lights. And then just push it in, okay? And then get your wire, sorry, that you tucked away. Let me just get it. Okay, and then you just plug it in. Okay, and then that's done. That's it. You're done. Just put in the cover. Put in the cover. And then job done. And that's it, guys.